Hmm.
Sorry, Kavita ma'am, I'm sorry.
No issues. Hi, Ankita, hi.
Hi.
The only, see, we are sitting in our chairs somewhere up to 10 hours also. And, you know, morning, I feel that we are moving from, you know, slanting position to sitting position and again to slanting position. Get up from the sleep, sit in the car, in the office, again sit in the chair. So what I'm probably looking at in this session is having a immediate quick fix of the things, you know, immediately to, maybe you have a 5-minute break, you want to take a 5-minute break and you do something which energizes not only your body, maybe something for the mind also.
Absolutely. Yes. Thank you so much, Kavita. Anyone else?
Dilpreet, I can see that you are sitting on a chair since morning 8:30. Any pain in the back, something that you want to share?
Yeah, it's but obvious. Sitting for 11 to 12 hours daily on a chair, having a lots of back pressure, backache,
All right.
and plus one more thing. Since we are most of the time we are working from home, I have observed in myself that I'm taking a lots of stress and pressure. So maybe you can guide us for something to release, to ease out ourselves, because while sitting and doing, we are like continuously doing 12 hours job. So there are headaches, stress, loss of sleep. So these, I'm expecting that these things, I'll get answers for these things. Like what can I do?
Correct. Anyone else?
One important thing Ankita ma'am is asking is if nobody is suffering from any health issues, because maybe if you're doing and following what she's asking you to follow,
Yeah.
and since we'll be having these sessions for another 4 days,
Yeah.
so nothing of such sort, you have to listen to your body. So if anybody wants to share any health issues or anything, you know, hypertension, blood pressures, anything. Ma'am, I think we're all good to go. Ankita ma'am, yeah.
All right. So as I mentioned that these sessions are based on all the expectations which you have in your mind. Definitely because of the sedentary lifestyle, we have been sitting for very long hours. And as Kavita just mentioned, that a quick fix, which you can, you know, take a breather in between and you can just take care of yourself. You just calm down your mind and your body and you get that energy. And once again, after charging up yourself, then you are back to work. So considering all these aspects, it is going to be a combination of ancient yogic techniques where we will be doing some sort of meditation. We will be doing a lot of breathing, which is called as pranayam. We will be doing some asanas which can be done right sitting or standing. And we also will be dealing with one very important aspect, and that is our mind. And we have to just relax the mind and we have to de-stress ourselves and rejuvenate ourselves. I hope you all are just sitting alone in the house or in the room, so you can remove your masks, because definitely in yoga we will be doing a lot of breathing. So I just saw one person with the mask, so just take off your mask and you are absolutely safe and comfortable. First of all, I just want all of you to just stand up and release the energy which you were just sitting for a very long time, since 8:30, 9:30. So just stand up, just stand up. And take a deep breath in through your nose. And a deep breath out through your nose. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Both your arms are next to your body, Sandeep. And just keep your neck in the frontal area. So do not bend, do not look at your laptop, just listen to my instructions. And now take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold the breath, retain the breath. And slowly and gently start exhaling from your mouth as if you are blowing a candle. Repeat this. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold the breath. And exhale through your mouth. Complete exhalation. Empty your lungs, taking away all the negativities and exhaling all the energies which are not required by the body anymore. And now slowly you may sit down on your chair. When you're sitting on the chair, place both your palms on your thighs. Keep your chest, keep your neck, and keep your head in one straight line. Those who are wearing glasses, please take off your glasses, spectacles. And very gently just close your eyes. Close your eyes. The moment you close your eyes, you're away from all the distractions around you. Keep a beautiful smile on your face. And try to get your attention on your breath. The way you're breathing in and the way you're breathing out through your nostrils. Complete awareness on your breath and nothing else. Be vigilant like a watchman, like a gatekeeper. And not even a single breath should enter your system unnoticed. We are not doing any kind of pranayama. You are just breathing in and breathing out through your nostrils. If you're breathing in through the right nostril, right nostril. If you're breathing in through the left nostril, left nostril. If you're breathing in through both the nostrils, both the nostrils. Simple job given to you to be aware of how you are breathing. Continue with this awareness without my instructions. Keep your eyes closed. Do not open your eyes. Just breathing in and breathing out through your nostrils. And now slowly and gently, join your hands in Namaste Mudra in front of your chest. The base of the thumb touching your heart center. Relax your shoulders and your elbows. And continue with that beautiful smile on your face. We will now be starting with the universal sound of consciousness. That is the very first sound which was manifested in the entire universe. This sound is a very, very powerful sound. So feel as you chant and connect yourself with the resonance and the sound. We will be chanting the sound of Om 3 times. Relax. Inhale deeply. Rub your palms together and feel the energy and the warmth within the palms. Rub them nicely, faster. And now very gently cover your eyes with both your palms without pressing your eyes. Just cup your eyes. Gently open up your eyes within the palms. And with a beautiful smile, as if you're smiling at the universe, get your hands down. Namaste, everyone.
Namaste.
We have just conditioned ourselves to begin with the session. Now I want each one of you to stand up. So please stand up. You may keep the chair aside right now so that you have some space. It is very important to take care of the spinal cord, and for that I will be explaining few stretches so that you give that immense stretch to the spine. First of all, little distance between both your feet and interlock your hands in front. Turn the palms around and slowly as you inhale, you stretch your arms up. Try to pull yourself up as if someone is trying to pull the complete body weight upwards. So stretch yourself to the maximum limit. And now slowly inhale And as you exhale, twist to the right side. Twist to the right side. And try to look at the back side. Come back to the center. Inhale once again. Stretch. And as you exhale, twist to the left side. Come back to the center. Inhale, stretch up. And exhale, twist to the right side. Continue. Come back to the center. Inhale, please continue. And twist to the other side. Come back to the center. And gently relax your arms, get your arms down. It is very important that we give all the important stretches which are supposed to be given to the spinal cord on a daily basis. Whenever you are starting your work, start with twisting. So I'm going to show it to you. Start with twisting. Coming back to the center and twist right to left. Twist right to left. Come back to the center and stretch your arms and twist. Stretch your arms and twist. Make your arms a little loose, Kavita. Make your arms a little loose and twist. Effortlessly, effortlessly. You are not holding your parts. You are just making your body loose and let the energy flow free-flowingly. Very good. Now come to the center. Always remember that yoga is about connectivity with your physical, with your mental, with your emotional, and with your breath. So we are not the techniques. We are not doing any of the techniques superficially. So right now we are going to incorporate our breath. When we are in the center, we inhale. When we twist, we exhale. I'm going to show you one time. Start. Inhale, exhale. 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 Come back to the center. Few important stretches given to the spinal cord. Never ever start any form of stretch with a backward stretch. Never ever, it's a big no. Always start with twisting. This is going to open up the contracted nerves of your spinal cord. After that, what we are going to do is, we will be stretching our arms upwards, inhaling. Exhaling, we twist to the right side, maximum. And slowly we go down towards the right foot. Coming back up, stretch up. And exhaling, going on to the left foot. Coming back up, stretch up. And going in the center. Coming back up and relax. After understanding the concept, now I'm going to give you instructions. Please follow the instructions. Start inhaling and stretching your arms up. Exhale, twist to the right completely and go down towards the right foot. Very good. Go down. Go down, Hemant. Go down, go down. Go down to the right foot. Come back up. Very good. Stretch your arms up. And exhaling, twist to the left side and go down towards the left foot. Stay there. Stay there. Very good. And come back up. Stretch your arms up. And this time exhale from your mouth and go in the center. Go down. Stay in the center. Very good. Go down, go down. And when you are in the center, drop your head down completely. Do not try to look up. Just drop yourself down. Abhijit, go down. And slowly, as you inhale, you stretch your arms up. Stretch your arms up. And as you exhale, you relax. What we have done is, we have given a good upward stretch to the spine. We have given twisting to the spine, and we have given forward stretches to the spine. We are going to repeat the same sequence once again. Follow my instructions. Make yourself relaxed. Interlock your hands. As you inhale, you stretch your arms up, up. Exhale, twist to the right and go down to the right side. Drop yourself. Go down, Dilpreet. Go down, 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 down. I'm giving instructions. I'm not doing it right now. Go down, Kritika. Very good, Suresh. And slowly, as you inhale, you come up and you stretch yourself up. Fill up your lungs. Feel the breath. And exhaling, go to the other side. Very good. Drop yourself down. Go down. Stay there. As you inhale, come up and stretch your arms up. Feel that you are giving the best stretch to the tailbone. So stretch yourself up. Maximum, more, more, more. And exhaling from the mouth, bend forward, go down. Very good. Go down, go down. Drop your head. Surrender. Relax. And now slowly as you inhale, you come up. You stretch up. And as you exhale, you relax. We have given an upward stretch. We have given a twist. We have given forward stretch. Which stretch is remaining now? 2 more stretches. Lateral stretch, that is the side stretch, and then the backward stretch. All right, I'm going to show you the lateral and the backward. Please watch me and then I will give you the instructions. For the lateral stretch, you will be again stretching your arms up. And as you go down, please watch me, watch me. When you go to the sides, do not bend forward, no. Do not go backwards, no. Maintain this angle and go to the side. Your head is in between your arms and then look up. And then you come back. Again, you stretch. This is important, stretch. And then stretching, go to the other side. Look up. Again, you stretch. I will just show you the backward stretch. For backward stretch, you are supposed to give support to your lower back. The curve of the back supporting. Elbows in and going back. Now with my instructions, you are going to follow. First, lateral stretch. Take the position, interlock, and stretch your arms upwards. Give a nice stretch, very good. And as you exhale, go to the right side. Stretch your arms, stretch. Keep your arms stretched, Hemant. Very good. And slowly come back to the center. Inhale and stretch upwards. Exhale, go to the other side. Look up, chin up, that is important. Look up, Abhijit. And come back to the center. Inhale once again. Exhale, go to the right. Lateral stretch. Come back to the center, inhaling and exhaling, go to the left. Come back to the center, inhaling, exhaling, relax, get your arms down. Place both your hands at the lower back, the curve of your back. Yes, very good, very good. Keep your eyes open. Do not close your eyes. And slowly and gently, first get your elbows closer to each other. And now as the respiratory system is open, look in front, Akanksha, and slowly go back. Keep your eyes open. According to your capacity, give a little backward stretch. Very good. Slowly come back to the center and bending forward. Just go down, bend down. Drop yourself down completely, Suresh. And slowly come back to the center. Once again, get your elbows closer to each other. That is important. And then up. Feel the tightness in your throat. Don't look at the side, Akanksha. You will get a catch. And slowly come back to the center. Bend forward. Bend forward, Sandeep, to the counter pose. And come back to the center. And now relax yourself and sit down on your chairs. Each and every technique which I am guiding you to do, there is some mechanics behind that. If we are doing a backward stretch, we are supposed to do a frontal stretch to the spinal area. If we are going for the lateral stretches, it has to be done to both the sides. And in the same way, we are supposed to twist to both the sides. So right now in today's session, what we have done is, it is very important for all of you to release that stiffness, that tightness, and that spasm from your neck and from your lower back. So whenever you get the time, as you mentioned, Kavita, like a 5-minute quick fix thing, this is something which is really going to help you out. Remember that our spinal cord is filled up with mesh of nerves, and we have the vertebrae. The vertebrae are in this position that they are interlocked. The more tighter they are, the more stiff the spine becomes. The more relaxed and loose they are, the better you feel. Mantra number 1 is to keep yourself filled up with good oxygenation and blood circulation. How do you do that? It is very important. Never go on for very long hours of sitting. Never. Always take a breather. If you're sitting for a while on the computer, say for half an hour, 1 hour, just stand up. You're not supposed to do anything. It is just few seconds job. Just stand up and just stretch. Twist. Lateral stretches. Forward stretches. Backward stretch. Breathe in. Hold the breath. Breathe out from the mouth. Simple, very effective techniques for today's session. Taking care of your spinal cord and taking care of the blood circulation plus using your respiratory system, which we will be working in the future sessions. Another thing is your eyes. Most of my students, they're complaining that because of this heavy dose of laptop and the lights, the eyes are getting affected. For today's session, very important thing is the way we started the class. We did palming. What is palming? You rub your palms. Start doing that, please. Now, when we are rubbing our palms, what is happening? Understand that in acupressure, we have all the systems of our body placed in the hands, all the systems. So we are massaging the system internally. Number one. Continue, please. Continue. Number two, this warmth is very important for a human body. Our human body is supposed to be at a specific temperature. So this warmth is going to energize our pranic energy and the channels. So faster, faster. And now cup your eyes and place your hands or your palms on the eyes. Stay in this position. Do not take off your hands. Just stay in the position and keep listening to my instructions. Do not press your eyes, Hemant. Just cover your eyes like a cup. हम कप बनाते हैं ना हाथ का, ऐसे कप बनाना है. Very good. Keep your eyes closed. Again, start with palming. Keep your eyes closed, Abhijit. And start with palming. Faster. Continue with the rubbing of the palms until and unless you get that warmth, that heat. Relax your facial muscles, Suresh. Smile on your face. And now gently cover your eyes with your palms. Not with your fingers, Abhijit. With your palms. Yes. Place your palms properly. Gently, you may open up your eyes inside the palms. Do not take off your hands off, Akanksha. And now, very slowly and gently, get your palms down. With a closer view, I want all of you to please watch me how you're supposed to keep your palms on the eyes. That's very important. Some of you, you were just pressing your fingers like this. No. Some of you, you were just doing it like this. No. Purpose is that when we are doing the rubbing of the palms, this area becomes heated. You get that warmth. And this area is filled up with lots and lots of energies. So we are going to transform this energy into the eyes. I'm going to show it to you how you're going to cup your palms. So you're not keeping it flat like this. No, you will be making cups like this. And then this part is going to be covering the bone here. And we keep this part here. And then we cup the eyes. Like this. Understood, everyone? So we are just palming and cupping. Now, when can you do this? Well, you must do it every 1 hour. Take a breather. It just takes few seconds. Rub, relax. Your eyes are going to bless you because they are going to feel so much relaxed. Complete radiations are coming continuously. And Ingita has come. Do you want, is there something which you want to say?
Nothing, ma'am.
All
I'm
right.
just listening to you. Yeah.
12:15 we close, right?
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Another important tip for the eyes is that we are supposed to take care of the focal length and the retina. So what we're supposed to do is that non-stop what we are doing is that whatever we are on, for example, mobile phone or laptop, the focal length is only this much. Computer, laptop, phone, the focal length is this much. That means it is very, very close to our eyes. Important tip is that you're supposed to change the focal length of your eyes. Again, it takes just few seconds. What you're supposed to do is, even if you don't want to stand up from the chair, just do one thing. Watch far away from the window. From the window, watch the farthest thing which you can see. If you want to take a break, you can just stand up, give that stretch, and watch at the farthest thing, farthest building or the sky, whichever thing is far away. Now, this is a very important tip, and you must understand that this is going to work wonders for the health of the eyes. What you're supposed to do is, even I just give these tips to my students. For example, they're housewives. They're saying we watch television a lot. So again, for them, the tip is that just keep something next to you, not your mobile phones, maybe a magazine or something, or an album. In between the break, when you get the break in between the serial, just take the album, flip, so the focal length changes. Focal length changes. Even for the kids, if you have children and they're studying, I have seen immense pressure for them because of this online thing. Tell them to gaze outside. Gaze outside. Look at the nature. Feel the freshness. Look at the blue sky. Immediately you feel the freshness. The colors, they work wonders. It's color therapy. So all these things are very, very important for each one of you. Today's session, what we have done is we have started with conditioning. Now, what was that conditioning all about? It is an ancient technique in Buddhism given by Lord Buddha. And this technique is called as Anapana technique, Anapana meditation. What we were doing was we were just getting ourselves connected to the breath. Why to the breath? Whenever you are supposed to connect yourself with the present, and this comes in mindfulness technique, the best way to connect is to connect with your own breath. Right now, what we are breathing, this is the present, this. The breath which we have already taken, gone. The breath which we are about to take place, it will come. But right now, it is the present breath. What we are supposed to do to relax, as one of you mentioned, how to de-stress ourselves, how to keep our mind away from negativities, from anxieties, from depression, from all the chaos which is going across the world, the news. Important thing is to charge up yourself, and that is what I always mention to each and every student, that if you remember to charge up your phone, your laptops, all the gadgets, you should always remember to charge up yourself. For example, as you were saying that 10 hours now you have to be on the computer, that means you really have to charge up yourself before coming on the desk job. In the morning, if you're waking up, for example, at 7 o'clock, try to wake up a little early. That management has to be done. But I want each one of you to please start spending time with yourself. At least half an hour, so that you can charge up yourself for the rest of the day. At least. So for tomorrow's class, as a home assignment from my side, it is very important that you please start getting connected with yourself. Everyone just show me your hands like this. Show me your hands. Now look at your hands. Show me your hands and look at your hands. And get your hands closer to each other. And just tell yourself, and in words and loudly, my health is in my hands. My health is in my hands. Well, this is what I'm pleading to the world, that please, my dear friends, this is the time that you really have to buckle up, and you really have to take care of yourself, not only physically, mentally, emotionally. Staying connected with yourself is really going to work wonders. The stress is going to not bother you that much, and you will be able to manage your stress. In further techniques, in further sessions, I will be also talking about how to release that stress instantly. Of course, we can do that. And those techniques, if you again incorporate it in your lifestyle, wonders. So today's session was all about the introduction. It was just the beginning. It is important for you to take care of your spine. So taking breathers, stretching, the 6 stretches which I've told you, upwards. Never ever start with a backward stretch. That's a very important thing. The moment you get off the bed, just stand and do some twisting. Sometimes people complain that, in the morning I was just brushing and just bent this much, and then I got a spasm and this happened, that happened. Why? Because tightness. No, 8 hours you were just lying down on the bed. Your body also needs something. There will be a lot of tips about diet. There will be a lot of tips about how you can manage yourself in your busy schedules. Please do attend the sessions and take care of yourself. Okay? We will be ending the session with the Shanti mantra. Please join your hands in Namaste Mudra, keeping your back straight. And we will be chanting the mantra of peace. And the mantra is Om Shanti, Shanti, Shantihi. Everyone together, inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your palms together. Cup your eyes. And now gently open up your eyes inside your palms with a beautiful smile on your face. And get your hands down. Namaste. And here I end today's session. I hope to see you all tomorrow as well. And if you can keep your videos on during the yoga session, it's going to help me out. It's going to help you out, because I'm going to correct each one of you in case you are not doing it in the right way. So thank you so much, and have a very beautiful day ahead. Enjoy your training session. And thank you so much, Ingita and the entire team of Indian Oil, for inviting me over. And in case you have any questions before we end, you can go ahead.
Thank you, Ankita ma'am, for the great session, and more thanks for giving us a home assignment, because we need that push to keep on doing something good. So we do look forward to the coming sessions, and especially the diet plan and all that you're talking about, because in this busy schedule, these are few things in which we do need a little bit of nudge and a little bit of push to make us do what is best for our health. So thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you. In case anybody has a question or anything which you want to share, you may kindly unmute and speak up. And we will be taking a short break here for around 15 minutes, and 12:30 I would expect everyone to be back. We'll start with Sanjay Senwal sir's session at sharp 12:30.
All right.
Excuse me,
In
one
case
minute,
you
Kritika.
don't have anything right now, as Ingita also mentioned in the beginning of the session, you can follow me on Facebook,
Right.
on Instagram, Ankita Sood Yoga. Just type 3 words and you will get my page where I am also sharing many things related to your health, lifestyle, COVID-19. Today onwards, I've started a series of videos. So please stay connected, and in that also you can write a message to me and I will get back to you instantly.
Sure. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thanks
you
a
so
lot.
much. Okay, I will take your leave. Thank you.
Yeah,
Namaste.
sure. Thank you. Kritika, ma'am, you were saying something?
Yeah.
Sorry?
Yeah, let us not
No,
make
ma'am.
it 12:30. Let everyone be back at 12:25, because I'm observing none of them is coming in the time we are telling. So 5 minutes before, let everyone be in the seat, because it's quite insulting for the faculty, that also our GMs and all, seeing that the participants are not